Good morning, students. In our previous class, we have completed the application software. Today, we shall start Windows 7. So, what is Windows 7? Windows is the most commonly used operating system in computers. It has that is GUI or graphical user interface, which means that you can operate the computer through graphical icons. You can see the icons in the next page. There are several versions of Windows, such as Windows 2000, Windows XP, Windows 7 and Windows 10. After you switch on a computer with Windows 7 operating system, the desktop, that is the screen one, is the first screen that appears. It has a graphical images or symbols called icons. So you see the images on the Windows screen. That is a small icons is visible. So these are called icons. You can double click on the icons to open a file, folders or programs. The next one is Taskbar. So the taskbar lies at the bottom of the home screen. It has the following, that is, the start button is on the extreme left hand side, and the notification area is on the extreme right hand side. It has the icon that shows internet connectivity, language, time, date, battery status and so on. The show desktop button is a vertical rectangle on the extreme right. You can see the show desktop button. It is a vertical rectangle on the extreme right hand side. Pressing it takes you back to the desktop. So if you press it, click it, it will take you to the desktop. The next one is the quick launch area, which lies at the middle portion of the taskbar, and it shows all the programs that are currently open on the system. You can also pin programs in this area by dragging the shortcut icons from the desktop or the start menu. You can easily switch programs that are already open with the help of a taskbar. The next one is the icons. Some icons that you see on the desktop are as follows. So there are many icons that some of you can see on the desktop. That is, computer is a shortcut to all the drives and their content on the computer system. You can view all the files and folders present in a drive by double clicking on it. So you see the computer icon. You have to double click to view all the files and folders present inside present in the drive by double clicking. Shortcut icons. Shortcut icons are direct links to the actual programs, folders and files, which are stored elsewhere or somewhere else. Each such icon has a small jump arrow on its lower left corner. By double clicking on the icon, will open the program, folder or file. So creating desktop shortcuts for frequently used program, folders and files will help you save time in accessing them. If you delete the shortcut, the program, folder or file itself will not get deleted. So to create a shortcut for Word, first you have to click the start button, then you have to click the all programs, then you have to to scroll down to Microsoft Office and click on it. After that, you have to drag the Microsoft Word 2010 program to the desktop. So a shortcut for MS Word will appear on the desktop. So I'll show you on our practical classes after the lockdown. So what are icons, how to create shortcut for Word. So the next one, a program folder or file icon on the desktop without the arrow shows that it is not a shortcut. The program folder or file is actually saved on the desktop. If such an icon is deleted, the program folder or file will get deleted. The next one is network icon. The network icon allows you to access shared files or devices in a network of computers and devices. The recycle bin icon. It takes you to a folder called the recycle bin. So if you click on the recycle bin icon, it will take you to the recycle bin. When you delete a folder or file, it goes to the recycle bin. So whenever you delete an item or a file or a folder, it will go to the recycle bin. This means that if you delete any file by mistake, it is not lost. It is saved there. You can always get it back from the recycle bin. So if you go to the recycle bin, you can get the lost file there. It stays there until you permanently delete it or restore it. So this lost file in the recycle bin stays there unless and until you permanently delete or restore it. So thank you very much. We'll continue in our next class, deleting and restoring folders and files. So I hope you have understood and you will understand it better in our practical classes.